Yo, man, we got some heat in this box right here. Maybe one of the most limited Air Jordan releases of 2022. Cannot wait to unbox these. You guys see, I ain't opened them up. I ain't seen them yet. So I'm gonna give you guys my first initial reaction. And I want you guys to comment down below what you think about these sneakers inside this box. I think it's the most limited Air Jordan of the year. So let's get right into today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to another video, man. Trying to be a little bit more consistent with you guys. If you have not checked out the Air Jordan 11 Midnight Navy reviewing on feet, man, make sure you check it out. That's my first review on feet in a little minute. I've been doing a lot of unboxings for you guys, a lot of like clothing hauls and unboxing and stuff like that. So I'm trying to switch it back up when we did originally on the channel, reviews on feet. So I hope you guys are enjoying that content. So I'm gonna link that review on feet down below in the description box. If you are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. And please, please, please drop a huge like on today's video. That helps the channel grow. It puts us in an algorithm. And you guys already know the goal, man, 70,000 subscribers. We just passed like 65,000. So, man, thanks to everybody that's been tapping into the channel, supporting the grind. It is not going unnoticed, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. I already see the box, man. I already see the box, man. Look at these, bro. They went crazy with the packaging and everything for these joints. As you guys can see, man. Peep that. Peep that, man. You guys see that trophy over there. You see that trophy, man. So let's go ahead and pull them out. Super excited to have these in the collection. And it's crazy because I hit on the sneakers app. I didn't pay resale. None of that. No bots. Nobody, you know, plugged me in with this pair right here. I hit on the sneakers app, which is surprising. You guys know I'm always taking L's on the sneakers app. So when I get these dubs like this is probably the craziest W as far as limited sneakers on the sneakers app. So I guess you can get a W without a bot, without, you know, somebody plugging you in. And we got them right here. So let's go ahead and read it. Air Jordan 7 Retro SP Obsidian Metallic Gold. You guys see the official colorway? Yes, sir, man. Your boy is excited. I can't wait to check him out. You guys see over there, man. What that say? What that say, bro? You guys should know what it is, man. Got that trophy room on the box. You got Michael Jordan's signature right here. Be sure to hit you guys with some B-roll over this one here. Might throw them on feet today as well, man. So let's go ahead and pull them out. Hold on, hold on. All right, so they ain't open it up. You got the new sheriff in town on the box right there on the inside. And you also get a card right here. As you guys can see, you get this like full court picture right here, so you guys can see, man. Check it out. And then behind it, you have teams blue and white. Thought that was dope. They're just doing crazy as far as, you know, throwing in these different little accessories and stuff like that with these limited releases. So go ahead and put that in the box real quick. And you got two extra laces, man, red and white with the gold lace tips. You guys see it. And let's go ahead and pull them out, man. Let's put this to the side real quick. Let's put this to the side. You guys seeing this right here. We're gonna put this to the side real quick and let you guys see them first. I'm gonna let y'all see them first, man. Let's go ahead and peel them open. And hold on. Woo. Oh, see, a lot of tissue paper. And bam, man, there you have it. The Air Jordan 7 trophy rooms, man. The new sheriff in town, and these is tough, bruh. These are tough. Let me go ahead and pull them out real quick. Hold on, man. Hold on. Check these out, bruh. Let me pull the tissue paper out because you do get some dope stuff inside the box as well. You got the trophy room arena, I guess you could call it like that. Got the seats inside the box, but we don't wear the box. I know y'all want to see the kicks, but the accessories that came with these is pretty dope, man. And here you have it, Air Jordan 7 trophy rooms, bruh. I can't believe I hit for retail. This don't happen a lot, you know what I mean? So when we do hit, we gotta, you know, so we gotta put that energy out there. Let you guys know I'm excited. Hopefully these W's keep coming. So right now down below in the comment section, you guys please let me know if you hit on the trophy room 7s down below in the comment section. Super limited. And they dropped about 14,000 pairs on the Nike sneakers app. I don't know how many pairs they dropped on or in the trophy room store. I think that was down in Orlando, Florida. I seen a couple of the guys hit on a pair, got their box signed and everything like that. Thought that was pretty dope. But check these beauties out. They went crazy with these. You got Jordan's number on the back, number 9, when he played on the Olympic team. And these look so unique, bro. They went crazy with these right here. And I gotta hit you guys with some 360, some looks of these. And you got all type of stuff. Like, I don't even know where to dive in. Like, I don't know what to say about them. All I know is these joints is tough, bruh. It would have been even better if they threw like a number in there. Of course, we don't want a limited pair of sneakers with a number inside. You got Michael Jordan's signature inscribed on the side of the shoe. And it's kind of give you like an Olympic, you know, Air Jordan 7 vibe. You have all the colors on the back. You know, they usually do that with the rings for the Olympics. And then going all around, you got the gold hits on the lacing system. You got Jordan on the tongue, gold out. And you got the trophy room logo on the back. Guess what? That's also gold, man. So they want to make these extravagant. They want to make these exquisite, you know what I'm saying? Make them pop. And this right here, I ain't gonna lie, is a very clean pair of Air Jordan 7s. You know, people don't really like Air Jordan 7s like that. So when Trophy Room link up with Jordan Brand, of course, they do something crazy. They gotta go all out. And I think they did a very, very good job with this release right here, man. Like, oh, this is dope, bro. Let me take out the tissue paper, see if they got anything crazy on the inside. Yes, they do. So I'm gonna take out this shoelace real quick, or the shoe shield, or the shoe tree, and you have a Jumpman logo on the inside right there. And you also get the same color that you have on the back of the heel. You get them on the insole of these sneakers. So, you know, nothing too crazy on the inside. And on the back of the tongue, hold on, man, they got some more hits for y'all. They got some more hits, and I gotta show y'all. You got the new sheriff in town on the back of the tongue, as you guys can see, man. Of course, size 9 gang. Super excited. And you also get a date over here. Hold on, man. I know I'm talking a lot. I'm excited. I got, you know, so got some heat, you know what I mean? You have June 22nd, 1992. And I'm pretty sure that's around the time the Olympics was taking place, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, you guys let me know. So I always like to read the comments, because you guys be knowing pretty much a lot more than me. So like I said, first time seeing them in hand, didn't really do a lot of history on the sneaker. I said, you know what? This is gonna be an L. It's a trophy room release. You know, usually when you hear those trophy rooms or Travis Scott's or, you know, all those type of collaborations, you kind of chalk it up as an L. But I entered and I was almost late. I almost forgot about the release, because that's how much I didn't think I was gonna get a pair. But I entered with like 5 minutes left. Got that notification. I actually got the charge first. I said, hold on, Nike gave your boy a dub on the new Sheriff in Town Trophy Room 7s. These things are beautiful. So like I said, man, you guys let me know down below in the comment section, man, what are you feeling about these? You think they fire? You think they trash? I know a lot of people don't like 7s, but of course, like I said, they do have Trophy Room name on it. They made these joints super, super limited. So of course, it's gonna raise the hype up. It's gonna raise the demand up. Your boy got one of the size 9s out of that 14,000 pairs that the Nike sneakers app dropped for the general public, man. Super dope, man. I'm excited. Let me do a little, make sure I ain't missing nothing. You guys see the outsole right here, gold Jumpman on the bottom. And then you also get that, you know, on the peaks, you got your navy blue or obsidian blue, gold and red peaks on the midsole of these guys. And it's like an all over suede material going around the entire sneakers. No leather that I can see or I can feel. So all leather on the upper on these guys. And man, I just like how they threw the colors together. You know what I'm saying? It's not like a white right here. It's like a beigeish, tannish, off-white on the upper of these Air Jordan 7s. And I think that went very well with the gold hits. And of course, that red that's popping on these Air Jordan 7s right here, man. So super dope. I'm excited, man. We got another dub, a huge W. We got to keep that energy in this room, you know what I mean? We need to keep that energy in the room. And for all the people that probably like, yo, you don't even like 7s like that, you know what I'm gonna do for you guys? I'm gonna drop an Air Jordan 7 collection video, so you guys know your boy got some 7s. And one of the most recent 7s I picked up before these are the Citrus Air Jordan 7s OG colorway. Had to grab them. Love this colorway right here. There's a couple of the 7s that we were supposed to be getting, like the Cardinals, that I haven't seen anything. I ain't seen nobody talking about the Cardinals. I ain't seen nobody selling them early. I ain't seen nothing about a shock drop exclusive access. So that might be one of those OG colorways, just like the citruses. That's it. Nobody feeling. You can probably get for a very, very decent price. But enough for the Air Jordan 7 Citrus. Just had to hit y'all with the good looks on these beautiful Air Jordan 7s right here, man. Thanks to everybody that pulled up to today's video. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. And all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.